Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VAPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just an absolutely monster day, not only today, but over the past few days. And like a lot of the marijuana stocks out there, they are starting to move again. So let's get this one mapped out and, like I said, just kind of get everybody on the same page from a technical chart perspective. So in order to do that, let's first start with our levels of support. And the ideal level of support going forward is at 0.019, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 0.019, that would by far make the chart look the strongest. But don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that if the price drops below 0.019, that everything's ruined or anything like that. But as far as best case scenario, staying above 0.09 would accomplish exactly that. Now, in the event 0.019 does not hold, next potential area of support down here at that point, and that sits at 0.017. From the big picture perspective, and it's totally not relevant right now, but keep an eye on the purple line down there. That is the 50-period simple moving average. Again, I realize that this line is way down here. The price closed way up there, but the keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, this line is going to move and get its way upwards, and just kind of measure the overall flow of things. But the black and white way to look at that is as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. Now for the fun stuff, where are some of these next battlegrounds at? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential fighting grounds at? First area is quite straightforward. I realize the price kind of hit right there, then it went up. So I'm just going to split the difference and call it there at 0.0218. So 0.0218, which essentially, like I said, just kind of trying to summarize where these three different highs are. That's going to be the first battleground that the bulls are going to need to fight through in order to get, to have continuation continue. After that, we're going to have to go to a new time frame, though, which is a good problem to have because I want to make this chart look still visible. But we're going to have to go back so far into the chart's history. As you can see, the price has not been up this high for a very long time, which is, again, a good problem to have from the longs perspective. So let's try that. Let's see. We're in. Yep, that was a previous. I am talking to myself right now. So next level after the area we just talked about, up there at about 0.025. So 0.025, next key overall area of resistance. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building higher bases as time goes by, then the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most common questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.